Hi all, welcome to a Tech Talk with Madhav. Let's have a quick round of tech news for today. Starting with Apple, Apple has announced their worldwide developer conference will be held on the 22nd of June, which would be held virtually and it is free for everyone to join. The main focus will be on the future OS updates for iOS, macOS, tvOS and iPadOS. Also, there is a rumor going on that iPad would be announcing that they will be using ARM-based processors going forward, shelving out Intel chipsets. That's a good news again. Already the laptops are powerful and the usage of ARM-based chipsets will give more power to Apple's laptops. And let's see how it goes. Let's wait till the Mobile World Developer Conference is held and let's see what they are going to announce. And also there is one more rumor going on that there will be a default call recording option in the FaceTime app, which is not yet confirmed. So for us to get the confirmed news, let's go ahead and wait till the 22nd of June till the Worldwide Developer Conference happens. That's when we'll come to know what all is true and what all the rumors. Moving forward, the next is from MI. MI has launched its notebook series in India yesterday and they are listed on Amazon. They have launched two series. One is MI Notebook 14 and MI Notebook 14 Horizon series. So the MI Notebook 14 series is starting from 41,999 and the MI Notebook Horizon series is starting from 54,999. It's a decent pricing again. So they are already available on Amazon and the next sale is on the 17th of June. So if you want any further information like the specs and all, you can definitely go ahead and check it on Amazon, because it is listed there with all the specifications and the pricing for the specifications. And the next one is from Sony. They have launched their new Bluetooth headphones with noise cancelling technology, which is promising a 35 hours backup, and it comes with a 30mm special drivers for music lovers. It's a very good pricing from Sony, which is launching it with a noise cancellation technology. Noise cancellation technology, like when you are listening to music and you want to listen to music and you don't want any other surrounding sound to come in between so that you can enjoy your music or take calls. This noise cancellation technology comes into picture. And the next is from Nokia. You might remember once a big giant in telecom industry, basically smartphones industry or feature phones industry, now has relaunched it Music Express phone, which is Nokia 5310. It's a remodified version which comes with dual front firing speakers and it also has the same old music controls to the side. And this is going to launch in India on the June 16th. Mostly it would be launched on Amazon. So let's keep waiting and see how it fares. And the next one and the last is from VU Televisions. They have added 4 more products to their lineup in 2020. It's all 4 are televisions with 4K HDR LED panels, and they are starting from 43 inches and going till 65 inches. The 43 inches is priced at 25,999. The 50 inches is priced at 28,999. I'm sorry, and the 55 inches is at 32,999, and the 65 inches is for 48,999. It's a very good pricing when compared to last year's pricing. So let's go ahead and see how the product sells. However, these VU televisions are the top rated televisions on Amazon last year. So I hope it does the same how it did last year. That's all for today, and that's the latest tech news for today. Keep subscribing. Thank you. Bye-bye.